Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal, Me Link. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account, either through the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, locate the PayPal, Me feature, usually found in your account dashboard or settings. The very first step is to select a unique username. This will be the custom part of your PayPal. Me Link like PayPal, Me/your name. Choose wisely as it cannot be changed later. After securing your unique username, it's time to personalize your PayPal Me page. You can upload a profile picture, which helps others easily identify that they are paying the correct person or business. Additionally, you have the option to change the background colors and add a short, personal message. This customization ensures your link looks professional and trustworthy, making it simple for friends or clients to confirm it's your page when they send money. With your PayPal Me Link created and customized, sharing it is incredibly simple. You can send it through text messages, emails, or post it directly on your social media channels. For businesses, embedding the link on your website, blog, or even in digital invoices makes payment collection effortless. When someone clicks your link, they are directed to your personalized page, where they can enter any amount they wish to send and complete the payment in just a few clicks. Once someone sends money through your PayPal Me Link, the funds usually appear in your PayPal account almost instantly. You can monitor all these transactions directly within your PayPal activity log, providing a clear overview of your incoming payments. For added convenience, you can even append a specific amount to your link, for example, PayPal Me/your name/25 to request an exact payment, making it even faster for others to pay you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.